Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.61. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.17%. This results in an average return of 0.29% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund resides in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $526.96 would initially indicate a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.64% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 5.69% and positive 2.90%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 33.04% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 25.05% and 33.93%. This translates to a price range of $657.29 to $673.94 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline: VOO ETF price decreased by 215 thousandths of a percent on Wednesday. The VOO ETF price dropped by 215 thousandths of a percent on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, moving from $526.74 to $525.61. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 504 thousandths of a percent, ranging from a low of $524.66 to a high of $527.30. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.17% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF, which is generally considered a positive sign, as volume typically follows the ETF's movements. On the last trading day, the volume declined by 419,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached a highest price of $527.30, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands at 0.32%, or $1.69, below the 52-week high of $527.30, which is also the all-time high for this ETF. Warren Buffett's endorsement of exchange-traded funds is garnering attention, particularly for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. As Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway holds 2 exchange-traded funds tracking the S&P 500, it signals confidence in the index's long-term growth potential. This could drive interest and investment in VOO, positively impacting its stock price in the short term. As election uncertainty looms, with significant policy differences between candidates, investors may seek safety in established exchange-traded funds like VOO. Historically, during such periods of uncertainty, established indices often attract more investments, which could bolster VOO's performance. Moreover, the Federal Reserve's recent decision to cut interest rates can be a significant driver for VOO. Historical trends suggest that after rate cuts, the S&P 500 tends to perform well, especially if economic growth continues. This creates a favorable environment for VOO as investors likely anticipate further appreciation. Despite the S&P 500 reaching all-time highs, analysts suggest that VOO remains a formidable investment choice. High valuations won't deter investors focused on long-term growth, with the index's robust historical returns of around 10.6% annualized over 3 decades. Given these factors, VOO is positioned not only for short-term gains, but also for long-term stability and growth, making it a compelling option for both cautious and growth-oriented investors in the current economic landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF is displaying buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $522.83 and $509.88. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal emanating from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 10.61%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Given that volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, this diminishes the overall risk, as typically, volume should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 37 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 209 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $489.91. Should this be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as quite low with this stock. Over the last day, the fund moved $2.64 between its high and low, or 0.5%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.623%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $526.74. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry into a position. For those already holding the stock, this could represent a strategic point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its initial support level at $489.91. Should this support level remain intact, it could serve as an excellent entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $496.49, reflecting a decrease of 5.54%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a reduced level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 50 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that this may be an opportune time to consider purchasing, as there is a favorable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of September, we anticipate VOO to open up 245 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $525.86. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.